do not get mad at me if I pronounce these wrong. Luofo. I am obsessed with these shoes that are under $10. I'm gonna link them below. I purchased them. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like them. I do not normally wear flip-flops like this or loafers like this. I usually wear like flip-flops that go between my toes. But I was looking for something different because this year I was like, you need to change out your wardrobe a little bit. You always wear black and white and gray. So I went with tan. But I just ordered the black ones. I just ordered my daughter a pair because I put these on yesterday. I've had so many compliments since I've bought these on these shoes. Under $10, guys. And I love how soft they are. I love that you can like put them on with yoga pants and a t-shirt, or you can dress them up. Really soft and comfortable. I love these. I'm gonna drop them below. This is a game changer. And like I said, I'm ordering multiple colors because I love them that much. So make sure you check out my link. I have it linked below. They come in so many different colors. You are going to find a pair you love.